Everything is fine now, guys? Come
Yes,
on.
sir.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Here we will take the response entity only, right? Okay, so I said that, okay, how many part having the response entity, guys? 2 part, na? Come on. How many part?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Two. Body status.
Body and what?
Body.
Status. In the body, what we can send it now, guys? Data, right? Data. Come on.
Yes, data.
So just I'm writing, just here only I'm taking welcome to RK Technologies, right? And status code, just we seen that, right? Just we seen that how many type of status code now, guys? Five types of status code are there.
Five.
So success information status code I'm going to send it.
200.
So http dot status
Okay.
Status dot okay.
dot okay. I'm taking, right? So now what I'm going to do now? Okay. Why it's giving the error?
Capital letters.
Maybe plus we need to come down.
Okay.
Okay. Now what we will do now? We will return this object, right? We will return this object now, guys.
Respond.
Okay. So guys, okay. So here, what is that? So come here, okay. So whenever we will apply @request, right? So no need to apply what? No need to apply what? 1 minute. I said that, right? No need to apply what? This response body. Okay, this response body object. No need to apply, right? So you want to see that? Okay, I'm opening the REST controller implementation, right? So see this already, that annotation is there, right? So we don't have need to apply, right?
Yes.
If you want to apply, no worry about that. You can apply it, but there is no use, okay? There is no use because already internally this annotation is there, na? Come on. Come on.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes, Ravi.
Don't worry, so much explanation is there. Just I'm giving one application. What you people will not feel bored, right? Everything is a theory only, and practical still we are not seeing. Okay, because of that I included practical here only. Okay, so much things is there to explain it, guys. Okay, so okay, so now you want to see the what is that? This result on what? Your browser now, guys. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now? So
Yes, sir.
okay, so I'm going to run this application now, guys. Okay, so here. Okay, so now run the application. Right click, run as a Spring Boot. Okay, so our application is started to running now, right? 2020. Okay, so now open the browser. Now http :/localhost
2020.
2020
slash
so
show.
now see this, we are getting or not, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
We are getting the response or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir. We got it.
So this is our what? First application. What? This is our first application about REST application now, guys. Okay, Spring Boot REST application. So see this, our explanation is this much, okay? But what? The internal thing, whenever we are making the request, how it's going, still this I know that still clarity will not come. Whenever we will move, still what is that? I'm going to use what? Postman client. Postman, I will use what? Postman client. After then what? Next one I will use what? Swagger UI. After then I will explain what? REST template, web client. Okay. After the Angular or React.js. Okay. Which one you will tell? I will explain that on that, right? This one will become mini project. At the time I will give whatever explanation I given, every explanation I will use it, guys. Okay. So now till now, whatever things I explain, anyone having any doubt, ask, guys. Okay. Ask, I will tell. Unmute yourself and
No,
ask.
Ravi. Ravi? Hello.
Yeah. Till it is clear, Ravi.
Sorry.
Till now it is clear.
Okay.
No doubt.
Yes, anyone having any doubt? Yes, Mayank.
Yes, Ravi, Mayank here. Yes, what is the difference between put and page?
Sorry.
Put,
Yeah.
put mapping and pat mapping.
Yes. Put and
Yeah, how
patch.
can we differentiate?
Yes. Put means what? To if you want modify total data, right? Total data. Then we will use what? Put and patch. If you want to modify only one data, then we will use what? Patch. And don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay.
I will explain. Okay.
Yeah,
As a
at the
practical-
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Don't worry.
Yes,
Still,
yes. At the time of yeah, got it,
still,
got it. Thank you.
still just I implemented only one application. Okay. So don't hurry. Okay, I will explain each and everything. I will tell the difference between what is that, what is the use of, why we are using, what is the problem. Everything I will explain now. Okay. Just we
Sir,
started.
how
now.
to dependency use, sir?
Sorry.
How to dependency use in this project?
How? No,
Web.
only one. Whatever. See this two dependency. Dev tool I used and what boot web I use, right? 1 minute.
Spring Web Miss.
Yes, web MVC and what
Startup
dev
करें
tool.
ना?
These two dependency only I use.
Spring Dev Tool.
Yes. See this one dependency web, another one is what? Dev tool. These two dependency only I used. Except that I did not use any dependency.
Okay, okay. Right. Got it.
Okay. So now till now the things is clear, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi, it's clear.
Still energy is there to learn the things. Shall I proceed in the next level? Are you?
Yes,
good?
Ravi, having energy.
Yes, Ravi.
You want break?
Break, Ravi.
Small break, please.
Break small.
Everyone give the response, guys.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
break.
one thing, guys. Okay.
Hello.
Just my request is there. Please give the today time. Okay. So I have some work. Okay. So I have need to complete it. I'm stopping the session today. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay,
No
Ravi,
problem.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay,
No
guys. So
problem.
till now I will upload the video in the night, guys. Please do the practical. Only one application is there now. That one also is small application. Okay.
Yes.
Please try to complete it.
Yes.
And tomorrow we will continue, guys. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, Ravi, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, sir.
Ravi, I have a small question.
Yes.
Where can we get a video, sir?
Sorry.
Where can I have the video, though?
He's talking about YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Hi, I'm just asking, like, where can I find the video?
You did not find any video.
You just search RK Technology, then find.
1 minute.
Maybe
You just
you
search
want
RK
link.
Technology.
Wait.
On YouTube?
Wait here.
Oh, okay.